Hello, my name is Lucky Phillips. I want to give you a brief walk around of this 2000 model F250 4-door extended cab diesel. It has a 7.3 diesel engine in it, 4-wheel drive. Has a Hinker V plow on the front of it. Let me give you a quick look real fast here. You see it does have a little bit of rust repair on the bottom here, paint touch-ups. On this side, you see that there has been a steel plate welded there on that side. The plow is highly functional, but it is not just like brand new. It has been cleaned up some for the season. That's your mounting brackets on the back. The truck looks very good from 10 feet away. You get up close to it, you see some spots that are touched up, like the running board here is rusted. This back cab corner here has got a spot in it, but the frame and everything into the truck's pretty nice. I'll reach in here and start it up. Truck starts right up. No check engine lights on. Truck runs real good. It really does run good. Heater works good on the truck. This is your handset for the V plow. It's got a light switch on this side. Power switch on this side. Interior's not too bad a shape. Got the rubberized floor mat. It's got a trailer tow package. 4-wheel drives on the floor. Cruise control, tilt steering. Crank your own windows up. Relatively clean. The back seat looks just about like new. There's no cigarette smoke or anything all over the inside of it. Some work trucks you buy them and they're full of cigarette smoke. This one's not. Turn my lights on here on the plow. You can see the light I got there blinking up on the roof. Headlights, turn the plow lights on. Plow light switch is on the side of your handset here. There we go, now we got them on. It's been touched up for sale and for service, but it does not have rust holes in the frame or anything. Don't be afraid of this truck. It's a good, clean, solid service truck. It has been used as a snow plow truck, so it does show exterior rust, but it's a solid truck. Very good tires all the way around. See the back of the tailgate there has been touched up. This truck gets touched up every year. The guy selling the truck sold the truck because it is being updated with newer trucks. 2 receiver hits on the back. Cab corner here has been touched up some too. It's a good solid truck. If you're looking to update yours, I think it'll make you a good truck. Thank you.